To zoom in or out in Google Maps, start by opening the application on your device. Once Google Maps is open, you will see a map view of your current location or a location you have previously searched for. To zoom in, place 2 fingers on the screen and move them apart. This action will enlarge the map, allowing you to see more detailed information about a specific area. To zoom out, place 2 fingers on the screen and bring them together. This action will shrink the map, allowing you to see a broader view of the area. Alternatively, you can also use the plus and minus buttons on the bottom right corner of the screen to zoom in and out. Another way to zoom in or out is by double tapping on the screen. When you double tap, Google Maps will zoom in on the area where you tapped. To zoom out using this method, tap once on the screen with 2 fingers. It is also possible to use the volume buttons on your device to zoom in and out. The volume up button will zoom in, while the volume down button will zoom out. In addition to these methods, you can also use the mouse scroll wheel if you are using Google Maps on a computer. Simply scroll up to zoom in and scroll down to zoom out. By mastering these simple techniques, you can easily navigate and explore different locations in Google Maps, making it easier to find the information you need and plan your route. Remember to use the method that is most convenient for you, whether it is using your fingers, the buttons on the screen, or the volume buttons on your device.